got 4 Scar ZVX 18s. Right now it's on 1 Orion 5K.
Okay. And do you know the cubic space of the box and the tuning?
David, what's the cubes on this again? We're like 24 cubes, 25 cubes, right?
The size of the box?
We're 25 cubes.
What are they rated for? They're 6, right?
They're 5 1/4.
So yeah, we're 6 per, tuned to 24 hertz.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's what it is.
Nice. And that's a really big baffle.
Yeah, it's a thick one. It's kind of ugly.
Hey, no, it looks good, man. I like it.
We'll play some lows.
Okay. No, these are 18s. It's got four 18s. 6 cube.
18s.
Yeah, ZVX. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
He's on 5, so give him
Just a low power one. You were in here at Heather's show a couple years ago. Had a 4th owner in it, but it's flat wall now. Same subs, less power, but more windier.
So what's your name? Okay.
Tyler.
Have y'all got any kind of power clamp? You know what you're clamping at all?
I've never.
It's all good, man. Can I see the amp?
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah, man. Nice. Wow. Yeah, man. And this is at 1 or half?
We're 1
Okay. Looks good. Thank you very much, man. Nice to meet you again.
You got to hear that one next.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Does your seats go up for a picture real quick?
If you grab the lever down.
Oh, man. Y'all didn't even do a full B-pillar. You actually got some space for your seats.
I take this on road trips and I want to be comfortable.
Very nice, man.
I wasn't going to cram myself against the dash.
Oh, I understand. So you kind of built it back offset about 1 1/4 inches or so, yeah.
that was his thing. He's like, I want to be able to comfortably road trip it. And I was like, well, put your seat where you want it there.
Yes, sir. Is there a sunroof?
There is. The glass is still there, but it's sealed off completely.
It is, okay. Nice. Really deep. Yep. And this was tuned to what again?
24.
24. That's how y'all playing so low. Man, that's a deep port. What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around we got of Tyler's system at the Ruckus and Chill Fayetteville, North Carolina show. Go ahead and comment what you like about his system and give him a like. Impressive amount of bass output from 418s on a single 5,000 watt amp. So cone area is king when it comes to a system like this where you have lower power than the sub-rated RMS spec and a really big box. Notice how deep that box is on that port, so it's tuned really low based on the port area and the port length. And this is only 5,000 watts at 1 ohm, not even the half ohm version where he's wired it down to on the impedance. And notice the cooling system he has with the 2 fans, maybe a push-pull, or they were actually both blowing into the fan to keep it cool. So I'm sure he had some upgrades he's probably done since this video, but shout out to him. He did a good job with the demo you're going to see. And I didn't find out any lithium or alternator specs, but I'm pretty sure he's running C-Max based on the 15 plus volt range that he was running during this demo. And the voltage was on par, handling that 5K really well. And normally a lot of people always ask me, would you rather go more sub-cone area, less power, or more power, less cone area? I would probably say more cone area, less power is more efficient just because you don't have to run as much electrical and you can get really loud. So welcome to my channel, JacobViral. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for daily videos every day and enjoy this impressive demo.
10% to the pastor. Yeah, she is. 10% to the pastor church. Yeah, she is. Come here. 10% to the pastor church. Yeah. Yeah, she is.
Definitely tune this low. Yeah.
Not bad for being on quarter power.
Yeah, definitely.
1 5K is all
man.
back there. Dude.
Have y'all got any kind of power clamp? You know what you're clamping at all?
I've
Not
never.
It's all good, man. Hey, man. Nice. Wow. Really deep. Yep. And this was tuned to what again?
24.
24. That's how y'all playing so low. Man, that's a deep port.